I'm representing University of Arkansas Fort Smith here today, and my name is Wayne Chow. I'm the Admission and Outreach Coordinator from the Office of International Relations from UAFS. And so I just want to make sure everyone knows where is Arkansas first. So I would like to show you the map right here. So we are actually right next to Texas, a little bit to the northeastern part, northeast to Dallas, and on top of above Louisiana and below Missouri. And our state is called the natural state because we have a lot of natural scenery and hiking. You can also see, I hope you can see the video on the slides too, showing all the activities that we have in Arkansas. It's really, really beautiful place. I'm from Hong Kong, so as an international coming here, I found it really, really amazing. It's a great place to stay. People are really active. They have a lot of outdoor activities and really friendly. So although it's not a state that typically very popular for international students, but I would love to introduce this place to the students around the world. And also, Arkansas is the home to the biggest company in the world, Walmart. Walmart was founded in Arkansas, and plus other Fortune 500 company like Tyson and JB Hunt. So Arkansas is a really great place. If we move to talk about the cities of Fort Smith, Fort Smith is the second largest city in Arkansas by population. We are also ranked the top 10 cities in the US for the cost of doing business. We have a regional airport in Fort Smith, so it's really convenient for students to come from around the world. And the airport is just 10 minutes away from our campus. And it's always great weather, always blue sky, and we have a really rich history and culture in our city too. So what about our university? And here is the view from the top to look at our university. Is literally is a green campus, and it's a really safe campus too. We have found in 1928. It's a medium-sized university. We are around 168 acres, roughly around 126 football field big, and we offer around 51 bachelor's and associate degree to students, and over 100 student organizations available for students to choose from. And we locate 10 minutes away from downtown and 15 minutes walk from the mall. So it's really convenient location for students. And by saying we are the safest one of the safest campus in the United States is based on the data from the FBI and US Department of Education. Recently, we are named the safest university in Arkansas. So student safety is always one of our top priority here. And you will always see this lion head because this is our mascot. You will see it always on my screen or my slides. This Numa is our mascot. And we have two on-campus housing available for students to stay, and also plus a lot of different dining choices for students like Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, etc. And of course, although we are a medium-sized university, but we have all the facilities that a student needs, like the gym, and we have a small museum, exhibition, and bookstore, of course, and clinic. And plus, we have some outdoor activity or indoor activity too. And student activities, a lot of student activities, fraternities, NCAA, athletics teams. So I just want to let students know we have a lot of things to offer on our campus apart from the academic side. But of course, that's our focus today is the STEM major. So our College of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, we offer a biology, chemistry, information technology, and also engineering program for students. Basically, for biology and chemistry is for we prepare students for more advanced programs after the bachelor degree, if that's something they're looking for. We also offer minor in biology. For chemistry, we have biochemistry concentration for students, and this will provide students for the path to career like physical therapist, dentist, doctor. Biology would be great pre-med program, of course, for medical school. And of course, all these programs, some of them student may need to go beyond the bachelor degree, but that this will be a really great subjects for students to choose from. And for our information technology, what we focus on is the real world experience to students. All the graduates really in high demand after they graduate, and they always get a job offers really quick. And for my 4 years working in this university, all our international graduates from the IT program, they are able to find jobs after they graduate and do the OPT. And plus, during this study, we also offer paid internship program in company like Walmart or some other part-time pay internships available for students to choose from. And for our engineering program, we have electrical and mechanical engineering. They both are in associate degree. So after that, if students decide to work for for up to 1 year for OPT before they enter the bachelor level, that's possible too. We partner with University of Arkansas in the Fairfield campus, which is a really great school. It's a tier 1 research university that student can study on our campus but get the certificates from the Fairfield campus. And we also offer really attractive internship opportunities to students. Our international students from mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, they all get internship opportunities. And of course, they have research opportunities too, from robotic or wireless communication, and all these are available for students to choose from. And plus, if you are interested in other program, we also offer other really quality program for students. But then a student may also still ask why UAFS or the university are available for this type of have this type of programs available, because we have really affordable price. We are in very affordable price range. Our estimate cost of study per academic year is around 25,000, compared to other school in our region like 35 to 40,000. We are in a really attractive price range, which is actually this 25,000 is before scholarship. After scholarship, it will possibly go down too. So for the scholarship, students do not need to apply separately. All they need to do is to just send us the transcript. I will be the one to confirm the amount of scholarship with the students. So students do not need to worry about they will be sent to another department or talk to another person. I will be here working with you, if you are interested in our school throughout the process. And also the scholarship we are awarded for all 4 years. So you don't need to worry about, oh, after 1 or 2 years, what should I do? So we don't want students to worry about it or get nervous after 1 or 2 years of study. And we, of course, offer excellent academic and student services to students. We have small class teaching. So around 18 students will be to one professor. So they will have a lot of opportunities to ask questions. And from our focus group survey in 2019, international students all told us that faculty care about them, and they have really great opportunities on our campus. And of course, employment opportunities is one of them. Over 50% of our international students work. Other students, not that they don't get a job, it's just they want to focus more on their study. That's one of the example. Hermit, she is one of our international students. She's in a chemistry major. She's from India. She actually grabs all the opportunities that comes in front of her. Like, she is the senior student assistant in my office, learning about office administrative and operation, and at the same time doing research with the professor in her academic department. And apart from that, in extracurricular activity, Hermit is the president of the International Student Association, and is also nominated for the Academic Excellence Award this academic year. She already have scholarship lining up for her if she decide to go for the master degree. And for right now, Hermit is actually doing an internship in US Federal Department, the FDA, this summer. So she wants to tell all the students, she wants to encourage all the students to consider to apply to UAFS because everyone on campus are here to help students to be successful. And so for the application part, we do online application. Of course, students do not need to mail anything or any paper form to us. Basically, for the admission part, I will need your transcript and English proficiency test. But of course, we accept IELTS, TOEFL, these popular this type of popular report. But we also accept other forms of English proficiency evaluation. Just check with us. We can let you know what we will accept. And after you submit all the required documents, we will release the admissions result within 2 business days. So we are still open for 2024, but I totally understand students are facing a lot of hurdles right now for the visa application. So of course, 2021 spring, 2024 and after, hopefully things will get much better and smoother for students. But if you are interested to apply or just know more about our university, please feel free to schedule an online chat with us. Please talk to the Study Metro team and let them know. They will be able to help you to schedule a meeting with us. They're amazing. And this is another picture of our campus in fall. We have a really beautiful environment and peaceful environments for students who focus on their study. And if you have anything, we love to talk to you. We love to hear. So this is a little bit of our university and our program for today. And I really look forward to hear from you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Weng, for the wonderful presentation. You can be there with us for some time and check your questions column. Students, if you have any questions for UFS, you can write down in the chat box column. So students, as all the students are attending for the engineering department, I would like to tell you that we do have another 2 sessions, which is from 12 o'clock. The next session starts with 12 to 4 and followed by we have 5 to 11 session where there are more number of schools which will be available offering the engineering programs. You can get the link from your chat box column.